To start, you're going to take your key ring, and I've taken my 15-foot cord, folded in half, so that's the center point. We're just going to push that through. And pull that through for now. And then we're going to make it so that the part with the loop is facing forward. And we're just going to tape this into place so that it doesn't twist while I'm filming. Now that my keychain is in place, I'm just going to make sure that that looped part is coming out of the front, and I'm going to measure down to make sure that it is 15 inches long. Okay, so you want the bottom of the loop to hit just around 15 inches. Now to start, we have the loop part in the center and then the two loose cords, which are much longer on the outside. We are going to take the far left one and we're going to go over the first one, behind the second, so it looks like that, and we're just going to pull the end of the cord through that loop. So this is where we're at, and now we're going to take that right hand cord and we're going to go over that one, behind the first one, and we're going to come back over that one, and we're going to go behind the second cord of the looped cord and pull it through. Okay, so that's where we're at, and once more, the one we just knotted with should be on the bottom, and the previous knotting cord should be on top. And now we're going to take that top one, we're going to go over that one, behind, we'll pull it through that loop because it is a long cord, and we're going to go back over and back behind. I'm just going to pause here to show you. So I'm going to make this one a little bit looser, and it will look like this. But if I wanted to make a tighter one, I would just pull these working cords much tighter and push it up so that they were all compressed together like that one. But I'm just going to do a looser one here because I find it doesn't twist as much. So now we have the two working cords on the right. We're going to take the top, go over that one, behind, pull it through, and now we're going to go over and behind. And we're just going to repeat this pattern over and over again until we reach the bottom.